Hey, what's up, everybody? Oh my god, I have like the worst cold. Welcome back to more Army Zombie Army Trilogy. We're back here in the Forest of Corpses. This is the second section. We had just wasted that summoner bitch. And as you're coming in here through this little section, you're gonna have like 4 snipers, and they go up on these little, like, I don't know, platform. I don't know what the hell you want to call them. These little bodies. Oh, and you're gonna shoot these guys if you feel like it. The ones that are moving, and then you won't lose your combo or anything. Kind of fun to see all the gore and everything. Yeah, we'll get a couple of straggler zombies that are going to run around here in a minute. Try and attack. But there's so few of them at this point that I usually just kick them. Kick them in the nads. Well, at least I thought we'd... Ah, there they are. There's one of them. Hey there, bud. No, you don't. I mean, why waste the ammo, right? You do have the one guy with the gun, so it's best to take... Get out of the way. Oh, there's 2 of them with guns. I remember 2 of them having guns. 3. Oh, God. Okay, so there's a little bit more going on than I remembered. He's got a gun. Not anymore. Wah! Woohoo! Dodge and weave, zombie bitch. Dodge and weave. Now you're gonna get back up. That's okay. I wanted to kick you again anyhow. Oh well, you guys are just getting on my nerves. Getting on my damn nerves. Tumble away, zombie bitch. You guys are going to stay there back to back, aren't you? Okay, maybe not. No. Good Lord, I don't remember there being that many. Come on, really? Sit down, zombie. Hey! There's no getting back up from that. I've got super, like, leg strength. Ugh. That time of year for wonderful colds and flus and blech. Throat's all icky and my nose is all icky and blech. So, safe room. Let's go ahead and go in. Lady, you are annoying. Let's make sure everything's all the way it should be. It is, it is. Why would I... Hey, wait a minute. Wait. An extra shotgun? Whatever. Okay. So now... Remember our little shadow friend in the last episode? Well, here he is. You want to get rid of him quick. He is a summoner as well. Or that breed of zombie, whatever you want to call it. He'll keep bringing these douchebags up and you got to deal with them, and that's no fun. So now, these guys in these trees that are strung up, we can get rid of them. Ow! Freaking bear traps. Can't even see them. Alright, so. That's not one of them. They're alive. They're all in agony and pain. Gotta put them out of it. There's quite a few of them hanging around. Get it? Hanging around. Just hanging out. Hanging out here in the forest. Forest corpses. Oh my god, what? Quit moving your fucking head, you little bitch. I'm not really sure what the purpose is. Yeah, he's still hanging around. Oh no, he stopped. Okay. As long as you hear the there's one still hanging around. That seems to be it. Okay. Now, enter Zone 2, which is almost as fun as the last one. Not really. Yeah, in this section, further down we run into another breed of zombie that is probably more annoying than the summoner is. Certainly a lot more deadly. Just gonna pick these guys off. Have a little fun doing it. Revel in my sniping skills. Oh, wow, there goes my sniping skills. So much for me being a crack shot. Ugh. Alright, so that opens up. You'll see all these zombies down here. And of course, we have a stupid sniper. I think there's only one for now. We will get more later. Yes, we will. Dynamite. You can take some pot shots at him, but there will be zombies coming up from this section. And see a couple few down here. So if you're wasting too much time up on that little bridge, they will make it up to you eventually. Oh, his leg twitched. Wow, how did those all miss? It's like it went right through his head. Just into it. See, it's not showing I lost my combos. Oh, whatever. Okay. So, keep in mind you got some extra different type of weapons here, but what we need to do, this is going to cause a world of shit to happen. Little zombie man stuck under this truck. He's going to break up in this wall down here. And that's going to start the shitstorm. Let's start the shitstorm. But let's get away first. Very far away. And if you can hear, while I took the shots, so do a little bullet time here for a second, you'll hear a chainsaw rev up. That's the one we're the most concerned with. You can see him kind of there in the background, but he's the one we need to be the most concerned with. And if you're lucky enough to whittle down a lot of these zomboids, then, you know, more power to you. But, and there he is, way off in the distance. Want to hit him as much as you can. And here he comes. Okay, so see that shield on his face? We want to get rid of that quickly. But we gotta get away from him first. Come on, zomboids. Whoa! That was close. Need to hit him in the head, hit him in the head, in the head. And run like a bitch, run like a bitch, run up and down, just running like a bitch. Okay, I'm going to try and even my odds here a little bit. Well, that did not do shit. Well, it kind of did, but now we're going to get a whole bunch more coming after me. Yay! Wrong weapon. Wrong weapon. I had the Springfield. Ah! By the way, that chainsaw really hurts when you get hit by it. Oh, good. Because he got his helmet off at least. He starts swinging it around each time he gets hit. Or if he gets near you. I'm slowing down. I ran out of run juice. I'm slowing down. Let's slow these guys down. Oh, God. Okay, we want to get rid of this jackass. Need to get rid of this jackass. God. Yeah. Just kind of just do it like a running back and forth thing. Kind of works. And he will cut up his buddies because they get in his way. But keeping in mind we don't want to get near him. Oh my God, did it get him? We're gonna get just another zombie. It's another zombie. Yeah. Well. Whatevs. Oh, he's getting a little close to me. Whoa! Run like a bitch. Run like a bitch. Run like a little bitch. You know, thanks, zombies, for getting in my fucking way when I could have gotten at least 2 headshots in on him. My voice is cracking. I have got way too many zombies around here. It's going to be too hard to get through them. God damn it! God damn it! I knew that was going to happen. Ah. Oh, there was too many in that group. I should have just thrown down a mine or something. I don't know. Shotgun, weeded them out. That would have worked. Why didn't I do that? Why didn't I do that? So, lesson learned, people. Don't do that. Anyway, we're stopping there. We'll actually continue from this point. It's going to be the same point. So, basically, you just, you know, weed down Mr. Chainsaw Man. I've done it before. I really have. Once he's cut down, just whittle out the rest of those zombies, and you have some little bunker things on the left, and you can get your ammo refilled, and a couple other little items you might want to pick up. And then after that, we go to it's outside the sawmill, and it's just gets worse from there. So fun. I want to thank everyone for watching. I'll see you all in the next episode, and I hope you all have a fantastic day.